Batched Barbecue Beverage Bonanza, or for short. This week we're gonna make watermelon rum punch. In our trusty Pyrex, we're gonna add the following ingredients, please. We're gonna get our bat wings on with Bacardi rum, 1.5 cups. Pipe down, it makes 12 cocktails. A 1/2 cup of triple sec. A 1/2 cup of lime juice. And then a 1/2 cup of watermelon juice. It's ready to go. You could drink it on the rocks, you could drink it neat, but I'm gonna set you up with a spritz version because I think that's more the vibe of a barbecue. Just a couple ounces. All right, a little more. Top it with your favorite seltzer, please. Cheers, dears. Holy it's so good. Rum, nice and light and sweet, triple sec, orangey sweetness, lime juice, tart, watermelon juice, watermelon. It's all in here and just stretched out, diluted with the soda water. It is so refreshing. This is a winner. And you're probably gonna wanna make 5 gallons if you're gonna bring it to a party because everyone's gonna want 1 or 2.